Hi everyone, today we're on Module 2 of Level F of VMath. This is Lesson 4, so turn to page 17 to follow along and take notes. All right, so getting started, let's do some review. We have a whole here, so we would write one whole. Here we only have 1/10, and here we have 1/100, so 1 and 11/100 if we combine those all. Here we have 0 whole numbers, so we put 0 and then there's 1, 2, 3, so 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 36 hundredths, because this is 36 out of 100 that is shaded in. And then here we have one whole, and let's see how many hundredths are shaded in here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. 1 and 65 hundredths, because this is one whole and this is 65. Oh, why won't that right? Out of 100. All right, so here we have 4 and 3 tenths. Here we have 28 and, remember the and is where the decimal goes, 79, 70, that's an N, 9, and then it's in the hundredths place, hundredths. All right, here, oh my goodness, look at this. Let's write these out. We have 85 and, I'm gonna write it over here in this chart that you can see over here in this chart. So follow along over here, 85 and then we have 0 tenths, 0 hundredths, 1, 6, 7. So we're in the 100,000ths place. So I'm gonna zoom in so we can make this a little bit bigger for you to write. So we're going to write 85. The decimal point is and. Then we have 100, 67, and then we are in the 100,000ths place right here. So 167 hundred thousandths. All right, this next one we have 114 and 25 hundredths. So remember, if you need help, use a place value chart like this. So we have 114 and 25 hundredths. Well, it ends in the hundreds place. So we would say it like that. So 114 and 25 hundredths. Here we have 3 and, so 3 is the ones place, and is the decimal, 248 10,000. So we got to end in this 10,000ths place. So 248 10,000. So we would have to put a 0 there. So 3 and, no tenths, but 248 10,000ths. This says Keisha hiked the number of miles shown in the decimal model. Write the number of miles Keisha hiked in both numeric and word form. Well, let's do numeric first. We have one whole, and then we have 10, 20, 30, 40 tenths, or sorry, 4 tenths or 40 hundredths, because 4 tenths is the same as 40 over 100. So we'll put 4 tenths. So she hiked 1 and 4 tenths. Okay. Next one. It says write each number in word form. So here we have 40 and then the 5 is in the thousandths place. So we would write 40 and 300 25. This is a long number. And then we're in the thousandths place. Thousandths. Okay. Here, I'll write this one in a different color. I'll write it in blue in case I go over here. So we have 5 and then we have 72, and we're in the tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths place. So 5 and 72 10,000ths. All right, this says write each number in numeric form. 3,218 hundred thousandths. So we have no whole numbers. So, but we have 3,000, and we need to end in the 100,000ths place. So tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, 100,000ths. So 1,800 thousandths. We would write 18 and then 3,200. So 3,200, 18 10,000ths. We got to put a 0 there, though, because we would say 3,218 10,000ths. Remember, use a place value chart. It is not a big deal to use a place value chart when you're getting into these small numbers in the 100,000ths. All right, 152 and 12 hundredths. So 152 and 12 hundredths. So this is the hundredths place. All right, so when we talk about reading and writing decimals, numeric form, 4 and 2/10. In numeric form, the decimal point is written as the word and. In word form, 4 and 2/10. In word form, the word and tells where the decimal place should go. Numeric form, remember, numbers before the decimal point are written and read as whole numbers, and then numbers after the decimal point all end in th. So hundredths, so tenths, hundredths, thousandths, but that th at the end. All right, you're going to complete page 19 on your own. Make sure to use a place value chart if you need help. Good luck.